Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I'm here at the SM Mall today and I'm going to do some shopping around, thinking about upgrading our equipment a little bit for our vlogging so we can get some good camera shots. I'm right now just out here in the parking lot where most of the people park their motorcycles, and it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. Alright guys, so let's go inside and see what we can do. Yeah, so we're gonna go and look at some cameras, some lights, and some other things, and just check out what they got here inside the mall. So I think we're gonna go up and head up to the upper level and see what we can do up there. Be interesting to see. I'm comparing pricing on internet and whatever. The store or this mall seems to be you know, they got cell phone galore but very little of cameras and other gadgets. So we're looking. Keeping on walking. Supremo. Alright, so they're telling me to go to a store that is named MOTOVLOG. So now we gotta find out. All right, here it looks like they got something. Photo light. Yeah, and so it's Supremo 4K plus. I will check it out on Google and see if I can see any specifications on it. Because I don't want to buy it unless you have a money back guarantee if I'm not satisfied with the quality.
Before in the Google.
Yeah, no, I will. I will check. I will check the what do you call it? Google, YouTube. So the model is Supremo 4K plus. Is that what it's called? All right. I'm assuming it's a Chinese. Chinese, made in China, right? Does it come with one battery, two batteries?
Two batteries.
Okay.
And 16 gig memory card free.
Okay. All right. All right. That sounds good. All right. Thank you. Alright, I guess that's it, because there is no other stores in here from what I understand that really has cameras or any decent equipment. So time to head out. That was a quick run. And like always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell and you will get updates. Once we get the equipment in here, we will upgrade the quality of the video on the channel and do some more fun stuff. Bye bye. God bless.